Good morning everybody. I am Jayashree from SNS College of Technology. I am going to take binary parallel adder. The unit name is what? Called combination logic circuits from analog and digital integrated circuits. Let us see the binary parallel adders. Before that, let us see the recall the limitations of half adder and full adder. In half adder, only two inputs are given and we get the two outputs. Whereas in full adder, we are giving 3 as inputs and 2 outputs. Whereas in binary parallel adder, we can give multiple inputs simultaneously. This is what binary parallel adder. So let us see the empathy stage. Understand the need for high speed binary addition. In half adder and full adder, there is a limitations for inputs. Whereas in binary parallel adder, we can add data with the high speed binary additions. So focus on real world need. Okay, medical signal process require rapid computations. Next, define stage. The circuit that performs binary addition of multi-bit numbers simultaneously. That is what? This is the structure of multiple full adder circuits. So here this forms one half adder and this forms another half adder, both together to form this full adder, and these are connected parallelly to form this binary parallel adder. This is the single structure of this multiple circuits. Okay, multiple full adder circuits. The equation is what? Sum represents A XOR B XOR C, whereas carry represents A into B plus C into A XOR B. Next one is what defines, ideate stage. So in the ideate stage, it shows the 4 binary parallel adder. Okay. So here this 4 binary parallel full adder indicates this whole together forms this binary parallel adder, but each circuit forms this full adder. So each getting the 3 inputs, and each circuit, each full adder block diagram gets the 2 outputs. That is what mentioned here. This carry is taken over to the other circuit. Okay. Similarly, this binary parallel adder formed by the combination of 4 full adders. So full adders are connected in cascade. This cascade, it starts from PQ, P0, Q0, P1, Q1, P2, Q2, P3, Q3. This carry C1 is forwarded to C2, C3, C0, etc. Next, prototype stage. So here this pin diagram is also used in this full adder block, is used in this microprocessor arithmetic and logic units. In the microprocessor arithmetic and logic units, there is an integer operand is there and operand opcode is there. This opcode specifies the specific operation the instruction going to do. Okay, operand specifies the source and destination data. So this all together performed in this arithmetic logic unit. So this is what mode, opcode and operand. So this prototype is what? Hardware implementation phase. And next stage is what? Testing stage. So we can simulate the half adder and full adder and binary parallel adder by using this multi-sim software. So multi-sim, we can test the all adders and we get the output like this. The output is glowing. Okay. So next one is what? Where it is used in this biomedical applications. Okay. So here digital filters are used. Here the digital filters are used. ECG, EEG, data processor, MRI computation units. All this reflected this biomedical applications. All this forms this full adder circuit and forms the high speed addition of this binary parallel adder. So finally binary parallel adder contains the 4 full adders. So thus the circuit is formed by using the full adder and is also used in this biomedical applications. Let us see the assessment. So In an ECG amplifier circuit, binary data from 4 LTOs are processed using the binary adder system. If an electrode gives a 4-bit code, how can the binary bit adder help in combining them for average computation? Okay, so thinking of summing 4 parallel adder digitally and dividing by 2. So thank you all. Have a great day.